Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's weekend. I hope everyone is having a very great week. What do we see here? Sorry, without wasting your time, let's go straight to our daily analysis. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends, guys. Like, share with your friends. The channel is growing very nicely, and I like it. Get funded with Traders Central to kickstart your trading career and make the profit that you deserve, and you will get access to TradingView, my FX book, and many more, and enjoy Traders Central ecosystem and so much more on their marketplace. Link in my description. Check the link, then you will start to enjoy more of the funding. Thanks. So what do we see here? I started with German 30 or German 40. What's really happening here is we can see that, you know what, we've been on that downtrend. Now the market is doing what? It's changing the trend. Now the market is pushing up. We no longer under that bearish momentum, guys. I hope you see that. And if you maybe you see, or maybe you followed my previous analysis, you can see that, you know what, from this area we did have some very nice entries, and we still eating. We hoping that the market might still push to the upside. So actually, since I don't need to waste your time, I think there's not much that I can explain because the chart just says it all. But maybe we can say, you know what, when the uptrend is starting like that, we have to find something like this where we can say, or where we can know that, you know what, this thing is going to move like this, where we're supposed to do it, where we're supposed to buy, because on an uptrend we actually buy. We don't sell on an uptrend, we actually buy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we connect to the right points where the market is going to agree with us. At the moment, I think it's still very early, but we're still going to see what's really happening, because the market might start to create those points where when we try to connect them, they might give us some very nice clue on what's really happening. But what I like is, at the moment we can already see that, you know what, the market is changing the trend. The trend, firstly, it was just going down. Now the trend is doing what? It's going up. It means that the market is trying to recover from these areas, and this happened very fast. The market is trying to recover very nicely, but around this area the market acted like it was consolidating. Then after the market broke that and the market came back and respect that, then we took a trade. Simple as that. We did not complicate things. I hope you understand. If you want to join the team, just let me know. Check my contacts. You will find, you can just WhatsApp me, try to Telegram me. Then you're going to find me. Then we can just talk if maybe you want to join. If you want to join like lifetime, it's $150. It's a lifetime membership. If you want monthly, it's $20. If you want the signal system, it's only $35. Simple as that. So now we are on gold. It was pushing up very nicely. It was on a crazy bullish momentum. Guess what happened? The market came back again here after breaking out of that support. The market tried to give us a very nice retest. Already we had a sell pending order. When the market comes back, found our order here. Remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. It means if you are in this trade, you are eating. If you missed this, I already talked about this on my previous analysis. It means if you did check this, you are also eating. I hope you're eating. So what's really happening is the market just broke out, tried to come back and retest. Now we see the market pushing to the lower side. So what's really happening here is the market is actually changing the trend. The trend was going up. Now the trend is doing what? Going down, which means we call it a sell trend or a down trend. Simple as that. So I hope you understand that. So let's move to the next one, as I don't want to make these videos very long. Now we are on US oil. So on US oil here, what's really happening is Actually, I saw this one late. But it's quite straightforward. The market is still bullish momentum. We can see that the market still respects our support area. So instead of me getting the market around this area, I saw that one late and I had to get another buy pending around here, and obviously everyone is now eating. I'm still hoping that the market might reach around these areas since Ukraine and Russia are still fighting. But I think if they find some maybe resolution, I think the market might start to push the lower side. But at the moment, let's keep on. Let's think about bullish momentum as that is still going on. But if that is going to stop, we might see some very quick rejection pushing the market to the lower side. So at the moment, still the market is still on bullish. What we can do is let's have some rejection before we take buy, rejection before we take a buy. So don't just enter anyway. I hope you understand that. So let's move to the next one, which is US30. This one is seriously flying, and I hope my people they are eating on this one. So what's really happening here is the market actually changing the trend, like seriously changing the trend. We never saw this for some time now. We can see that the market is been just pushing down. We can see that, but just look at this candlestick, guys. Only few candlesticks made this thing to reach this area, which means that we can easily say, you know what, the market is changing the trend, and already the market changed the trend. The market is moving to the upside, which we call that a bullish momentum. Now what we can think of, we can say, you know what, we're no longer under that bearish momentum. You can see, you look at those candlesticks, the market is no longer under that bearish momentum, and we've been praying for that, or we've been preaching about that, about this downtrend, whether the market is going to break that. Then we saw that breaking out here. Then the market came back and respect this area again. Guess what? The market is moving to the moon. It's pushing to the moon now. So what I'm expecting is, don't just jump on the market around this area. Wait for a small rejection before the market pushes up. So what I can say is, sometimes, yes, if you miss the market like this, don't think maybe there won't be another opportunity. Opportunities, they will always be there. Wait few days. Wait maybe for the market to do its thing. Then we're still going to get some nice rejections pushing up, even if the market is going to be bullish, but still we're going to get some nice opportunities. Don't just jump on the market, guys. The best thing that you can do in the market, the best thing that you can do, or the skill that you can try to master, is to wait for the market to present itself to you. Then you can take those simple. It's easy. I mean, it's an easy thing to say, but when you are a trader, sometimes people, they don't find that easy. So that's just try to learn to wait for the market to give you an opportunity, then take it. When it's time to get out. When you don't see anything, wait. Simple as that. So what we see is the market is still on bullish. I don't see any sell-off around this area. The market is changing the trend. I see the market doing something like this, going up. The best thing that you can do is, tomorrow is still another day. Let's try to check the daily analysis. Maybe that we might see something. So again, we were also eating on NASDAQ. Now we are on NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is also on the NASDAQ side. I think things are still very fresh. Things are very fresh. Why? Because we just broke out of that. You can see we had this resistance. We just broke out of this. We just have two candlesticks. It's not similar to what we saw on US30 and German 30. So what's really happening here is the market is now showing us, you know what, now I'm pushing to the upside. So which means that, you know what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting the market to push a bit higher, but again, we expect a small rejection, so that we can just say, you know what, that is the way the market is supposed to move. The market doesn't have to move straight like that. The market will just do things like this, going up. If it's, going down like that. If it's going up, it's still going to do something like that. Simple as that. So I hope you understand, guys. I hope you understand. So what's really happening at the moment is, we are on bullish momentum. We no longer under this bearish momentum. We've been like since January, the market has been going down. Now we need to change that. We have to know that, because when we change that, it means we no longer look for sell positions. We look for buy positions only. I hope that clicked. I hope that you heard that nicely. We're not going to look for any sell positions when we are on a bullish momentum or an uptrend. So on an uptrend, we just look for what? For the market to reject, then we can buy. Market to reject, then we can buy. Simple as that. But more information tomorrow. I hope maybe I covered some of the stuff that maybe you wanted to know. What we're going to do is check tomorrow my updates. They're still going to help you going further on what's really happening. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to join the team, you know what to do. Check my contacts, talk to me. You can join very, very, very easily. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Wow.